Once upon a time, there lived a man named Flash who was known as the fastest man on Earth. He had been crowned the fastest man after years of rigorous training and hard work. Flash was very proud of his title and loved showing off his speed to everyone. One day, while he was on a run, he came across a man riding a bicycle who was going even faster than him. Flash was stunned and couldn't believe his eyes. He immediately got angry and confronted the man on the bicycle. "How dare you go faster than me? I am the fastest man on Earth," Flash exclaimed. The man on the bicycle just laughed and said, "I may be faster than you on a bicycle, but I'm sure there's someone else who's faster than me." He then pointed to a guy in a car driving by and said, "Like him, for example." Flash was now even more mad and ran after the car, but the guy in the car was going too fast for Flash to catch up. The guy in the car just laughed and said, "Ha! I may be faster than you on the road, but there's someone else who's faster than me." He then pointed to an airplane flying overhead and said, "Like that guy up there." Flash was now fuming and decided to chase the airplane. He ran as fast as he could, but the airplane was just too fast for him. The guy in the airplane just laughed and said, "You can't catch me, I'm flying in a jet." He then pointed to another jet flying even faster than his and said, "But there's someone else who's faster than me." Flash was now at his wit's end and decided to confront the guy in the other jet. He was ready to give him a piece of his mind when the guy in the other jet just laughed and said, "Ha! I may be flying in a jet, but there's someone else who's even faster than me." He then pointed to a man who could spend his afternoons running and said, "Like him, for example." Flash was now defeated and realized that there would always be someone faster than him. He decided to stop being angry and instead, appreciate the talents and abilities of others. From that day on, he lived a happy life, always learning and improving, but never getting mad at anyone for being faster or better than him. The moral of the story is that there will always be someone who is faster or better than us, but it's important to appreciate and learn from them, instead of getting mad and upset.